Hello aspirants, how's the Josh? Welcome to Exam Warriors channel. ECGC, that is Export Credit Guarantee Corporation Limited, has released a new notification for the recruitment of probationary officers. Here is the notification and we'll go through the details. So here a total 59 vacancies has been released by the ECGC. So let's get to the schedule of the recruitment process. First of all, we should know about the when the registration starts or when it ends. That is, online registration starts from 1st January and ends by 31st January, and the same applies to payment of application fees also. And here the download of call letters for the pre-examination training is first week of February 2021 onwards, and the pre-examination training for SC/ST candidates will be conducted to them in the in the month of February, that is second and third week of February. Download of call letters for online written examination will be from first week of March. Online written examination 14th March. You must know this date. Okay. Declaration between 20 to 31st March 2021, and tentatively the interviews will be conducted in the April month, and the declaration of the final result will be in April or May 2021. So the recruitment process will get completed by in 4 to 5 months. So here are the vacancies table. Overall 59 vacancies were there. Out of that, 25 were unreserved, 16 are OBC, SC/ST 4, SC 9, EWS 5. Here you can the breakdown of these vacancies. And another most important thing is eligibility criteria. And we all know the first and foremost thing is nationality, and next one is age. Age is important, so you should be you should be having minimum 21 years and maximum 30 years. Here another note is there: a candidate must have been born not earlier than 2/1/1991 and not later than 01/2000. Sorry, uh, you should make a note of this. And relaxation of upper age limits, we all know the age relaxation and all. And the next one is minimum educational qualification. A degree in any discipline will be considered. And one more important thing is the candidate must possess the valid mark sheet or degree certificate that he or she is graduate on the day he registers, and indicates the percentage of marks obtained in the graduation while registering online. That means whoever the final year candidates that who are going to pass out in the 2021 year uh, will not be qualified to apply for this exam. Only 2020 passed out candidates are eligible to apply. 2020 and below of them are eligible to apply. Here they are given proper document from board or university for having declared the result on or before 31st January 2021 has to be submitted at the time of interview. Okay. And next thing is here the recruitment procedure. How the online examination is go. Online examination will be conducted in two parts, that is one multiple choice questions and descriptive paper. In multiple choice questions we have 5 sections. Under this one, reasoning ability, we will be given 50 questions, 50 marks, in duration is 40 minutes. English language 40 questions, 40 marks, 30 minutes. Computer knowledge 20 questions, maximum marks is 20, duration 10 minutes. General awareness 40 questions, 40 marks, 20 minutes. Quantitative aptitude 50 question, 50 marks and 40 minutes. So overall the MCQ, that is multiple choice question objective test, will be conducted in 2 hours 20 minutes for 200 marks, and after that descriptive paper will be given to you. There will be essay writing and précis writing. Okay, 20 each. 40 minutes will be given for both questions together. That means overall the uh, online examination is for 3 hours. Under this, 2 tests will be there. So the merit will be considered by combining both 2 tests. That means whoever qualifies in the MCQ test, only for them the descriptive paper will be evaluated. Okay, fine. And one more important thing is cutoffs. Cutoffs are applied in 2 stages on scores and individual tests. That is, for reasoning there will be a sectional cutoff. For reasoning there will be a cutoff independently, and for aptitude there will be separate cutoff likewise, and on overall total score. So whoever crossed the cutoff will be called for an interview. In this, only 2 stages are there. That is online examination and the next interview. That's it. And next, coming to uh, fees, application fees, intimation charges payable. Okay, we all know this. And rupees 125 for SC/ST PWD as intimation charges, and 700 rupees inclusive of intimation charges for all others. And next one, here the pay scale has been given here. You can use this. And even the current CTC, that is cost to company of executive officer, posted in the Mumbai is approximately 13 lakhs per annum. Here you can see the exact figure. It is 13 lakhs per annum. That's it. These are the only important things you should know about this notification before you apply for this. That's it. Thank you. Please do like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.